Let's talk about the humble hamburger, a food so simple, yet so iconic, that it's become a symbol of comfort and indulgence around the world. Whether you're grabbing a quick bite on your lunch break or savoring a homemade creation at a backyard cookout, the hamburger is always there, ready to satisfy. It's the star of barbecues, the hero of fast food drive-thrus, and the centerpiece of countless family gatherings. But have you ever stopped to think about what goes into making that perfect burger? There's a fascinating story behind every juicy bite. Beyond the grill marks and melted cheese, there's an entire world of innovation, precision, and teamwork. Have you ever wondered what it really takes to get that perfect burger into your hands? The journey is far more complex than it seems. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the Burger Factory, a place where farms, science, and heavy machinery collide. Here, tradition meets technology, and every step is carefully engineered to deliver the taste you love. Conveyor belts stretch for miles, machines roar with energy, and the air is thick with the mouth-watering scent of searing meat and fresh bread. It's a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells, all working together to create the ultimate comfort food. Here, raw wheat and beef are transformed through a series of intricate steps into the iconic meal we all know. From grinding the meat to baking the buns, every detail matters. This isn't just cooking, it's manufacturing on a massive scale, where precision and safety are just as important as flavor. The process is a blend of art and science, requiring both human expertise and cutting-edge technology. We'll follow the journey from field to factory, meeting the dedicated people and powerful machines behind every bite. From the farmers who grow the wheat to the technicians who fine-tune the equipment, it's a team effort from start to finish. By the end, you'll see your next burger in a whole new light, appreciating not just the taste, but the incredible journey it took to reach your plate. Let's get started. Every burger needs a great bun, and behind every great bun is a story that stretches far beyond the kitchen. It's a tale that begins long before the aroma of baking bread fills the air, in a place where the sun rises over endless fields. That story starts in endless fields of golden wheat, where the land itself is the first ingredient. These fields, swaying gently in the breeze, are the birthplace of every fluffy burger bun. Here, dedicated farmers plant, nurture, and harvest the grain with care and expertise passed down through generations. Each kernel is a product of months of hard work, patience, and the perfect balance of sun and rain. Once the wheat is ready, it's loaded onto trucks and transported to towering silos, where it's stored and protected, waiting for its next transformation. From there, the journey continues as the grain is sent to the mill, a place where tradition meets technology. Inside the mill, powerful steel rollers crush the wheat into fine, soft flour. This process is precise, ensuring that only the best texture and consistency are achieved for baking. The flour is then sifted and checked for quality, with expert eyes ensuring that every batch meets the highest standards. Only the finest flour will move forward. This premium flour is poured into massive industrial mixers, where it meets water, yeast, and sugar. These simple ingredients, when combined, begin a magical transformation. Giant dough hooks churn and knead the mixture, developing gluten and filling the air with the unmistakable scent of fresh yeast. The dough becomes elastic and smooth, ready for its next stage. The dough is then placed in warm proofing chambers, where it rises and grows, becoming light and airy. This is where the future buns develop their signature fluffiness. Next, machines cut and shape the dough into perfect rounds, ensuring every bun is uniform and ready for baking. These soon-to-be buns travel into a tunnel oven, hundreds of feet long, where thousands bake at once, their crusts turning golden as they rise to perfection. After baking, each bun is carefully inspected for perfection. Any that don't meet the mark are set aside, ensuring only the best make it through. Only the flawless golden brown buns, soft on the inside, with just the right amount of crust, move on to the next stage of their journey. From the golden fields to the bustling mill, from dough preparation to the final bake, the journey of the burger bun is a marvel of precision, teamwork, and tradition. It's the unsung hero of every burger, a fluffy fortress ready to cradle the flavors and textures of everything that comes next. Now that we've uncovered the journey of the bun, let's meet the star of the show, the patty, where the heart of the burger truly begins. The journey of the perfect patty begins far from the sizzle of the grill, out on the open range. Here, on vast cattle ranches, the story starts with dedicated ranchers who rise before dawn to care for their herds. These ranchers are stewards of the land, ensuring their cattle graze on nutrient-rich pastures and live healthy, stress-free lives. They carefully select elite breeds, known for their marbling and tenderness, nurturing each animal to produce beef that's not just flavorful, but truly exceptional. Every detail matters, from the quality of the grass to the genetics of the herd. When the time is right, the cattle are gently transported to state-of-the-art processing plants. This transition is handled with care to minimize stress, preserving the quality of the meat. Inside, skilled butchers take over, expertly trimming the finest cuts. Their craftsmanship ensures only the best portions are chosen for grinding, balancing lean meat and fat for the ideal texture and flavor. The selected beef is then ground to a precise consistency, never too fine, never too coarse. This careful grinding process is crucial, as it affects how the patty cooks and tastes. At this stage, a blend of seasonings is added, enhancing the natural flavors without overpowering them. Next, powerful machines press the seasoned beef into perfectly uniform patties. Each one is shaped with exacting standards, ensuring that every patty is the same size and thickness for even cooking. Consistency is key. Every patty is identical, guaranteeing that each burger delivers the same juicy bite and satisfying texture, no matter where it's served. Once formed, the patties are quickly chilled to lock in freshness and maintain their shape. Stored in pristine conditions, they're now ready for the next stage of their journey. From the open pastures to the precision of the production line, every step is a testament to care, tradition, and innovation. It's a journey that transforms simple ingredients into something extraordinary. Now, the heart of the burger, the patty, is ready for its ultimate test. The searing heat of the grill, where flavors are sealed and aromas come alive. But before the first bite, let's add a layer of crunch. Fresh lettuce, crisp onions, and all the toppings that make a burger truly unforgettable. A great burger needs more than meat and bread. It needs the crisp brigade lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickles. Lettuce is harvested at dawn, washed, spun dry, and packed to keep it crisp. Tomatoes are picked ripe, peeled, and sliced into perfect rounds. Onions are peeled and sliced into translucent rings. Cucumbers are transformed into tangy pickles in vats of brine. Each vegetable is prepared for freshness and flavor, ready to add crunch and color. Together, they balance the richness of the burger. The crisp brigade stands ready for assembly. Now it's time for the patties to face the heat. Let's fire up the grills. Chilled patties glide onto a massive clamshell grill, an inferno of precision. Intense heat from above and below sears the meat, creating a flavorful crust and locking in juices. Computers monitor every degree. Timing is everything. Thousands of patties cook to perfection every hour. After grilling, patties rest briefly, letting juices redistribute for maximum flavor. The transformation is complete. Raw beef becomes a bronzed, juicy patty. The process is fast, furious, and flawless. Now the patties are ready to meet their fellow ingredients. But first, let's visit the sauce lab, because every burger needs a little magic. Sauces are the secret weapons. Ketchup, mustard, and mayo, each crafted on an industrial scale. Ketchup starts with ripe tomatoes, simmered and pureed, then blended with vinegar, sugar, salt, and spices. Mustard is ground from seeds, mixed with vinegar and spices for that signature tang. Mayonnaise is whipped from egg yolks, oil, and vinegar into creamy perfection. Every batch is computer-controlled for consistency. Sauces are pumped into bottles or packets at lightning speed, ready for the assembly line. Even the simplest condiments have a complex story. With sauces prepped, it's time for the grand finale. Let's assemble the burger, where robots and humans work side by side. The final assembly is a ballet of automation and human touch. Bottom buns glide down the line, robotic arms place patties with perfect precision, automated dispensers add just the right amount of sauce. Skilled workers add lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickles. No machine can match their touch. Top buns are gently placed by robots, completing the burger. In seconds, separate ingredients become a finished masterpiece. The line moves fast, but every burger is identical. The dance of humans and machines delivers perfection. Next stop packaging and the race against time. Let's see how your burger stays fresh. Freshly assembled burgers speed into the packaging zone. High-speed machines wrap each burger in paper or box them in seconds. For distant destinations, burgers are flash frozen in cryogenic tunnels, locking in taste and texture. Frozen burgers are boxed, palletized, and stored in vast, sub-zero warehouses. Computerized systems track every box, ensuring nothing is lost. Pallets are loaded onto refrigerated trucks, freezers on wheels, bound for restaurants everywhere. Local burgers skip freezing, packed fresh for immediate delivery. The factory runs around the clock, ensuring burgers are always within reach. From grill to loading dock, it's a race to preserve freshness. Now, let's savor the journey's end. Next time you unwrap a burger, remember its epic journey. From wheat fields and cattle ranches to roaring ovens and robotic arms, every bite tells a story. It's a marvel of nature, human ingenuity, and machine precision. Millions of people and countless machines work in harmony to deliver that simple meal. It's easy to take for granted, but it's nothing short of a modern miracle. So, as you take a bite, appreciate the hard work and technology behind it. Every burger is a testament to teamwork and innovation. Knowing the story just makes it taste better. Now, if you'll excuse me, I think I've earned one.